This video is to explain how to make 3 different pages, the school celebrations, corporate events, and special occasion pages. So last week and in my last video, I made one explaining how to make the weddings page. This is my weddings page here. Yours could be different as well too. So your other 3 pages that this video is about are going to be set up the exact same way that your weddings pages is. So the weddings page was on page 55 in your handout, and the next one for school celebrations is on page 56. And if you look at page 56, we'll have to add the browser page title, but then we're also going to have a title, which will be school celebrations in place of weddings. And then we are going to have a body of text again, which is going to have part of the same thing, which is on here already. And then you need to add an image that will relate to school celebrations. So 2 different ways you could do it. The longer way is you could go to each of these pages in your site menu and then recreate them from scratch. If you would like a faster way to do it, I can show you how that will be. So if we click over here, so where we can go to our pages in our website, to the right of weddings where we have our circle, you can click that and then go ahead and click duplicate. And what that's going to do is it's going to just basically copy and paste that weddings page, and I will change this to school celebrations. Now, this may get confusing because there's 2 school celebrations, so I'm going to delete my old one here by clicking the circle and pressing delete, and I am sure that I want to delete it. And then I'm also just going to go ahead and delete my corporate events and then my special occasions, so that way I don't get confused with those 2. So right now my weddings page is here and my school celebrations is the exact same page as my weddings page. I'm going to duplicate this 2 more times, and then I will name this one corporate events, and I will rename and duplicate this 1 more time, and this one will be special occasions. And done. So now my weddings page, as you can see, is the actual weddings page that I want it to be. If I go to school celebrations, which I will do next, I will just change this text here to school celebrations. And then this top paragraph of text needs to change on page 56 to content B on top. And then you can see where it says plan your gig. That's actually going to be the exact same thing that's already on here. So we're not going to have to type in that paragraph, and we're not going to have to create those links because they are already there. So I'm going to pause for a second just so I can type in this paragraph of text. Okay, so I went and I typed in that paragraph of text here. So this is all updated. My text is good. I don't have to worry about that. The only other thing I need to do to this page here is to change my picture. I shouldn't have to worry about the page title because I duplicated the weddings page where I already put in the page title. So that one's done. So I'm just going to click my image and I'm going to change image. And this one here is for school celebration. So you can either look for like a school dance or prom. We can see. I'm going to go for media from Wix. And then maybe I'll search for prom and maybe there'll be something and maybe not. Here's some pictures of prom. So I could go ahead and just like put this image in if I wanted to. It doesn't really have to do with the dance, I guess, but it is there. And then your page is done. Simple enough for school celebrations. So if you duplicate these pages, it's going to go a lot faster. It's going to save you all that time from like designing and formatting your pages. Now if I go over to corporate events, I'm going to do the same thing as I did to the other one. This one will be corporate events, and I will change this top paragraph to what's on page 57, and then I will change my picture to something that matches corporate events, and then I'll do the same thing to the special occasions page as well. So these ones here should go pretty quick as long as you duplicate the pages, and then make sure when you save it, you publish it, you're previewing it, just make sure when you like copied those pages that they're all matching to what they should be. So there's only 1 wedding page and so on. And you'll just have to check and make sure once you get those right, it's pretty easy to flow through it and to get these pages created.